Hello and welcome student. Today our topic is enhancing a presentation. How we will enhance the presentation, how we will work on presentation, how we will change the effect in presentation we will see in this topic. Okay. So for enhancing any presentation we have to change the appearance of the presentation. Appearance means how it will look like. We will change the look of presentation so that it will look attractive, so that when audience will see your presentation they will easily grab that what you want to say. They will easily grab it. Okay, so making more attractive means your presentation will be easy to understand. Okay, so mm, how to open presentation and how to add slides and different types of tab I have discussed in earlier topic. You can see in subscription at the top, see here, and go on that video and see that in earlier video. Now here we will discuss about some animation effect. First topic is applying animation effect. How we will apply animation effect in any object. First of all, what is animation? Animation is Animation means ability to move any object. If object may be anything. Suppose this word is also an object. This is also an object. Or you can say any graphic, any photo is an object, and any chart is an object, any logo. Suppose your company's logo is here, so it is also an object. So object may be anything. Okay, so this object you can change the and you can apply animation on this object. How we will apply this animation object we will see one by one. Okay, now and why we are applying animation is applying to focus any object. Suppose this I want to focus this object in front of the audience so that audience will easily see this. Okay, if I will focus on this object only, so audience will easily see this and audience will easily understand about this, that that I am focusing about this topic. Okay. Okay, now how to apply animation on an object, what we have to do. Okay, if you will see, this is PowerPoint presentation 2007, but there are two types of one more PowerPoint is there 2016. This is not working in my PC, that's why I am not using this. So I am working in PowerPoint presentation 2007. So what you have to do, first you have to select the object. I am selecting this object. After selecting the object, you have to go in animation tab. These are tabs, as I explained you earlier also. These are tabs, so I have to go in animation tab. Then in animation group, this is group, this is ribbon, and this is group. In animation group there is one option, customize animation. You have to click on it. After clicking animation, custom animation, one box will appear at the right side with the name custom animation. On that first heading is add effect. When you click on add effect, there are four types of effect. We will discuss each effect briefly. Okay, so first one is entrance effect. Entrance means, as the name suggests, entrance. Anything is entered in the slide. This will make your object like it is entering in the slide. See, one I will apply, fly in. So see, if I will see in slideshow, so it is looking like it is coming into the slide. Okay, so it is entrance. For if you want to apply more effects, so you have to go, these are certain effect, 5 effects are written here. If you want more, then go on more effect and you will see the dialog box of entrance effect, and there are number of effects for entering any object. So first one is entrance, to enter any object. It will look like it is entering into your slide. Second one is emphasis. Emphasis is used to focus anything. Suppose this is an object, so that audience will easily see that. So I want that audience will that object will take focus attention of audience. Suppose I will apply spin. So let's see. This is first one entrance and this is second one. If I will apply this animation so that audience will easily get attention about that. Now third one is exit. How object will go away from the slide, means it will go out of the slide, then it will and exit will apply always at the last. Why? Because when your slide is finished, so you will make the object exit from the exit from your slide. So suppose fly out, so this one is and entrance, this one is emphasis, this one is out, exit. Now last effect is motion path. For that, what I have to do, I have to select the object, then go on add effect. There is last effect, that is motion path. Motion path, as the name suggests, it will move the object in a particular motion. Certain motion, some motions are given here. Either you can select more on going more option. There are certain paths, even you can, this object will follow this path. Suppose I will go in circle, I will select the circle, then okay. Then let's see how it will look like. This is entrance, this is emphasis, this one is exit. After exit it will never come. So what I told you, exit at the last. Now we can see the motion path. This one is entrance, second one is emphasis, third one is motion path. This is motion path, it is moving in circle. Then fourth one is exit. After exit it will never come. Okay, so these are 4 types of effect we have seen here. But when you go in MS PowerPoint 2016, it is when in MS PowerPoint 2016, in animation tab there is direct one option is there, add animation. You have to go in this particular option. Okay, so certain different things are there in 2016 and 2007. Okay, so these are the types of animation. Now 2 and 3 options are also there. Suppose in second slide, this is start on click. How you want that your object, your animation will start, by clicking or after previous one. Means when previous one will finish, then it will automatically play the animation. Okay, and speed you can select by your own speed, you want slow or fast, you can select it. Okay, we will see here. See, only one time I am pressing the button, second it is automatically doing by their own. Third it is not doing because I have applied after previous only in second animation. For third I have to press button, for fourth also I have to press button. Okay, so this is animation. This is how you want to start after previous, with previous. If I will say with previous, so 2 animations are playing simultaneously. This first and this one, second one. This will first and this emphasis one will play simultaneously. How? See, if I will press one button, see, simultaneously it is playing. Okay, so this is with previous. Now one more thing is there, you have to click on any animation, right click there. After right clicking, there is one option, that is timing. When you go on timing, there is speed. Either you can select your speed, you can select the delay also, for how much second you want delay. If you want repeat, then you can select the repeat 2 times. Suppose 2 times it will repeat. So when I will press OK, then I will see this one. Okay, so first I will remove it. Now why it is moving 2 times? Because I have selected the repeat option also. This one is moving only 1 time, and this one is also 1 time. So I have applied repeat only in second slide. That's why it is moving, spinning 2 times. So these are certain options in this. So this is applying animation in an object. You can apply this animation in any picture, any logo, any chart. So this is it in this topic.